Greeting, tutor and classmates. My name is Giovanni Peña Herrera. I'm studying the bachelor degree in English as a foreign language for this course, Advanced English 1.
Good evening, Mr. Giovanni and Miss Claudia. Nice to meet you. I am a student as a bachelor in English as a foreign language too.
Claudia.
Hi, partners. My name is Claudia Victoria Oviedo. I am studying Bachelor English. I don't know. Begins, continues.
Girls, I would like to you about the topic of resilience in kids. I think this topic is very good,
Okay.
it's important for us as future teachers because we need to recognize when one of our students it's spending or it's happening bad times, and what can we do to help them to overcome, to grow these moments. So I think that with as teachers we must to talk to them, to help them with their responsibilities, how to guide them and make them the life happier. What do you think, Raquel?
Okay, and about the resilience, to build the resilience in our students or child quickly is necessary that have a hard support from the families as a first group. As adults is more easily detect the problems or difficulties from them. In this case, it's necessary as adults that listen and pay attention all time of them. In this case, as a teacher, I am a teacher, and nowadays, for the reason of time, I pay attention my children's. Every time I listen and look alone or when they are in groups if they have any difficulties. In and another methodology that we use as in the school is meet with their parents if they have any problems. As adults, is more easy that identify all case and pay attention and give help to them to develop and solve the problems or develop activities that integrate each group. And using the different activities give solutions and give them the opportunity to increase their skills and ability to solve their problems.
Okay, that's good. Claudia, what do you think about the resilience?
Okay. I think many strategies about the children. I have several strategies that can help. For example, parents, teachers, and school help the children be more resilient. For example, parents give them love and talk with them and make didactic games where they have to solve an obstacle or solve sometimes like egg with the puzzles, pieces of the chips to find out what happens if they don't defend them. And the families is necessary to create a direct communication with the child and guide him through readings and outdoor activities in the green areas or rest and share with them, not leaving them alone. And for the schools, it's necessary promote psychological and therapeutic support body related to stress, and personality stretching according to the time appropriate, creating more green areas, good transportation result for the children. I think is in many strategies for the solution about the children. No more.
Wow.
I think so that all children must acquire the skill to solve their own problems. And if either increases their their abilities or skills to be more positive and in a future as adults if healthy they can be part they will be part and the solution to their own problems and give help to another people or around the world or in their environments. For the reason as adults it's necessary that it's always help to solve their problems and listen to them.
Yes,
No matter if is little or bigger the problem.
girls, I am agree with you when you talk about that. We need to have a good communication with the parents, with their parents, because in those moments we need to be integrated with their families to solve all those problems that they are spending. So, girls, I think that the time is time is up for finishing to finish the video. Thank you very much, Raquel, Claudia. Bye bye.
Thank you, Giovanni. Thank you, Raquel. Bye.
Thank you very much, partners.
Have a good day.